Normally there will be bank staff and there will be the normal staff, wouldn't there?
The other nurse as well, that's here, he comes here like I think just once every 2 weeks.
And she's a bank staff as well.
He's,
He's
Laura is a regular nurse.
Who's
Laura's
the
not
manager
here today.
Who's the care manager? Who's the
The care
manager?
manager is Simon.
Simon, is he in today?
He's not in today. He comes here Monday to Friday, 8 till 4 o'clock.
Okay, so the care manager is Simon, is on
The
Monday.
home manager.
Okay, the home manager is Simon. Okay, right. So in other words, if we have got a grievance, we're best bringing it up with Simon. Is that right?
Yeah, you can do that. You can tell the nurse today.
Yeah, I tell
and you can make a
today.
complaint again to the manager.
Yes.
So your point gets across to all fields.
Okay.
Every single.
Yes. Because it's about knowing who to speak to that will enable things to happen.
I think the best person to be speaking to right now, you can have a word with Lebanon.
Yes.
The best person to speak to is a home manager, and the home manager will speak to the domestic manager, and then the domestic manager will pass on information. So, okay, listen. Perhaps when he goes out the room, when he's sitting in a lounge like this, you just go in there and just clean it up, and then just sort things out when he's relaxed.
I think you're shifting away from the bigger problem. The bigger problem, not so much the cleaning up of the room itself. The bigger problem is to correct the toilet. Are you with me? If it can't be unflush, unplug, change the toilet. Less than £100 for toilet.
But at the moment, I don't think we actually know what the problem is. So that's why I don't think it's actually as important.
And think about it. And the home, not picking on a person, the management had a vulnerable person like this, sitting on a toilet. Who would dare want to put your mother, your daughter, your wife to sit on the toilet?
I can't understand. I'll be very honest with you. I cannot. I mean, I'm trying to be cool. I know, I'm trying to be cool-headed about it, but I just can't understand. And forgive me. How can you have a toilet that an elderly gentleman like this gentleman is supposed to be using? It's been faulty since Monday, or at least he was aware of it on Monday. Abbas was aware of it on Monday.
I spoke to Paul about it.
And it's still Saturday today, and it hasn't been rectified. I can't get my head around it. I'm sorry, maybe there's something wrong with me, apart than that you guys can put me right.
I agree with you. When I saw it today,
I'll get somebody to come down next week. That's all right. I'll get it fixed as fast as possible.
We could fix it ourselves if necessary, but the point is that
it's not.
It's because I feel strongly. That's something that we really need to convey home to whoever's the duty manager. So what happens? What happens if you have a flooding that affects the whole building? You with me? Exactly. Because it's no different really, unless you're saying that we're being discriminatory in how we're treating him. You with me? What if it's a situation that affects the whole building? Are you not going to get somebody there to look at it?
Yeah, they will get somebody to look at it.
Yes, so that's why today we need to speak to somebody who knows what they're going to do to get this matter resolved. There's no point, there is no, I'm sorry, if I can understand us coming back if it was something that happened yesterday or happened today and then you bring to attention, but it's been 7 days now. If it's been 7 days already, what's to stop it going on for another 7 days? You with me? I think if you guys really want to do something about it, it would have been done by now. The only thing I can think of now is that we need to get on the phone, ring the Wolverhampton Clinical Care Commission group and ask them to come down now.